Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply enter the recents, and you can do it by tapping on this three bars icon. As you can see here, we've got the full list of previously opened apps, and if you want to close only one of it, simply swipe it up, just like that. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on close all. As you can see, we just got back to our home page, so let's enter the recents again. And as you can see here, we've got no recently used apps, so it means that we successfully closed all of them. So that's all. This is how to close running apps in your Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.